Ukrainian military forces claim to have managed to destroy a Russian missile using a drone. In the video released on Sunday, the drone appears to destroy Russian weapons in the Malin area. The commander-in-chief of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, Valery Zaluzhny, said the drone was Turkish. The Bayraktar TB2 type drone has been received by Ukraine from Turkey since last year. To date, at least 352 civilians have died as a result of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The Ukrainian Ministry of Defense released a video of an alleged drone attack on a Russian military convoy. The drone footage, which the Associated Press could not verify, shows an object exploding on the ground in the Kherson region of Ukraine. Tensions between Ukraine and Russia are still not over. Russia has now invaded Ukraine, after an impassioned speech from President Vladimir Putin for an attack on its neighbor. On February 24, 2022, Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered a special military operation in Ukraine and made a swift breakthrough in the face of mounting global condemnation. Ukraine said it had deployed the Bayraktar TB2 drone, which it bought from Turkey starting in 2019. Ukraine tried to counter Russia using the Bayraktar TB2 drone. At least some Ukrainian TB2 armed drones are still being used against the invading forces, according to the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense, the source said. As the aerial combat component of this larger conflict continues between Russia and Ukraine, Russian news agencies including Sputnik reported shooting down multiple TB2s without providing further information. Ukraine says the Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drone is effective against Russian troops. The Ukrainian military claims that Bayraktar TB2 has successfully carried out a number of attacks against Russian troops. On Sunday, the Ukrainian armed forces released footage showing one of the Russian weapons destroyed by the Bayraktar TB2 attack. The Russian weapon that was destroyed by the Bayraktar TB2 was the Russian Buk surface-to-air missile system. The commander-in-chief of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, Valery Zaluzhny, said the Turkish-made drone strike took place near the town of Malin, about 100 kilometers northwest of Kiev. The Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drones are very efficient for Ukraine to use against invading Russian troops. Turkey has sold several batches of Bayraktar TB2 to Ukraine, which has in the past been used against Russian-backed separatists in eastern Ukraine. The Ukrainian government began receiving a number of Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drones last year.